Now, 50,000 doses of that vaccine could arrive in Missouri by Wednesday. Today, News 4 asked the head of the St. Louis Area Pandemic Task Force when area hospitals could see that new vaccine. News 4's Caroline Hecker joins us live with that information about vaccinations in our region moving forward. Caroline?
Well, Dr. Alex Garza tells me it remains very unclear when major hospitals in the St. Louis area will receive this third vaccine. And of course, it comes as a new tier of people in Missouri will become eligible for the vaccine beginning on March 15th. But Dr. Alex Garza says those in earlier tiers will come first.
So there's multiple ways that we know people are getting vaccinated. So it's getting closer every day. If I had to ballpark it, I would say we're maybe 40 to 50% through that 1B2 population, but it's tough to know just because of all those different avenues that people are utilizing to get vaccine.
Now, I asked Dr. Garza if it's going to be difficult to police all of this. He says local hospitals will prioritize people based on their age when it becomes their turn, with older individuals getting those appointments first. He does say that healthcare workers in Phase 1A, by and large, have been vaccinated if they want it.
Nothing against Tier 3, or it's not that they aren't deserving of vaccine, but that population isn't at a higher risk than the 1B2 population. And so if we're wanting to prevent people from having serious illness, ending up in the hospital and potentially dying, ethically, that is the population that we have to be concentrating on before we can move on to those other lower risk populations.
All of this is to say, if, say, you're 30 years old and have type 2 diabetes or another pre-existing condition outlined by the CDC, don't count on getting that vaccine appointment that first week of beginning with March 15th. Now, that's not to say you can't try elsewhere, but Garza says the hospital systems will again be trying to fully vaccinate everyone in that Tier 2. We're live in St. Louis tonight. Caroline Hecker, News 4.